I was watching Natasha on Treasure Books the other day on her video, and she was doing a video about going to thrift stores and picking up stuff for art, and she came across this thing called GeMagic, or GeMagic, I don't know how you pronounce it exactly, and she thought it might be rather fun. She hadn't ever seen it before, and she thought it might be rather useful for art stuff, and I thought that looks really intriguing. I think I'll try and get one of those as well. So I went on eBay, and I don't think that they're available new anymore. I couldn't find any, and the only ones I could find were in America, and of course the postage was exorbitant. I left it a few days, and I kept looking back, and it did sort of vary in price quite a bit, but I found this one, which was the cheapest one, and it was about £10, I think, something like that. But the postage was more than the item. But when I added up the postage with the cost of the item, it was still about the same price or less than some of the other ones, including postage. So I thought, well, I'm going to go for it and blow the postage. Be fine. So I got it. It was a bit more expensive than I'd quite like to have got, but it came today. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. I have had a peek inside already. Let's see what's in here. Let's get everything out and then we can have a look. So this is probably a bit noisy. Whoa, let's tip it all out and we'll see what we've got. Okay, now that looks like the instructions, which seems to be in Spanish or something. Oh yes, that's right. I think that's oh, it's in different languages. That's right. Okay. Right. Oh, this is telling you all the things that you can do it on. I mean, I'm not going to do it on clothing or anything. This is for doing album covers and things. That looks quite interesting. Anyway, that's... look, it's all a bit screwed up. And then we've got, these are design sheets, I think. There are different patterns that you could do. I don't think I'll use those probably. So what have we got? I don't know what this is. I'll have to read the instructions to see. Intriguing little bits of this and that. These ones go in here. This is the small one for setting the small. These ones, I think, goes in like that. So these ones are different sizes. Yes, those are the rhinestones. I don't think this has been used. This looks all brand new, doesn't it? Different sizes in there anyway, the small ones that you use with this tool. Yes, a little gold ones there. And permanent heat transfer pencil. Okay, this is obviously for transferring the designs. It's broken, but never mind. I'm sure I can just sharpen that if I need it. 20 silver pieces. That's fallen off something. And then we've got this. Now this does look a bit... I don't know. I'll pull all out and have a look anyway. Get rid of that, I think. Yes, it's different designs. It's gold ones. There's a domed sort of silver ones. Flat silver ones. Oh yeah, I think those have got little gems in as well. Oh yes, there's some multicoloured little gem ones. So that's a silver. Yeah. Some little star shapes. More flat ones. Yeah, so there's quite a selection, and I have seen on eBay that you can get replacement ones of these. So if I run out, or if there are different styles and everything, I could go for those. And this is the actual machine itself, and it seems to have, yes, 30, 20, 60, 40, 34 different sizes, and you presumably put the little stud in there and then go down like this. It goes down onto, and you must be able to turn this around underneath. Yeah, you turn it round and it clicks into place for what size you want, and then presumably you just press down on it. Oh, it's got a slightly stringy feel to it. Well, I'll have to read the book of words and see what to do. But I think this would be actually quite useful for embellishing different things. I don't know what this does, whether that's part of this one. I don't know. I'll have to read the book of words. That one's got numbers around as well, 40, 34, etc. I don't know what that fits on. Anyway, I have to read the instructions, and I shall come back and do some experiments with it once I've learnt what to do. So I hope this has been somewhat enlightening. I don't know. I'm sure I shall make something of it. Anyway, bye for now, and we'll see what we can do with it.